Great teams are facing each other today in this Dream League live fixture. Who'll come out on top? Well, let's get going with today's game. Hernandez. And he's clear of the defence. It's in, off the frame of the goal.
Oh, a thoroughly deserved lead. You just knew that was coming. Salah. Oh, that's great determination.
He's read that one absolutely perfectly. It's Messi with the ball. Van Dijk with the tackle. And he's onside here. Cancelo.
Well read.
Oh, a clumsy challenge. Aha, quality defending there. He's got the ball at his feet. Salah with the dribble. Oh, confident defending.
Great understanding between this team. He's got the goal in his sights.
Took his chance. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. Salah. Finds his teammate. It's in for Ronaldo.
The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. Piqué with a tackle. It's Messi with the ball.
And he's one-on-one with the keeper.
Valverde with the ball. This is Haaland. Aha, quality defending there. That's a rash challenge there. And time is called on the first half. 2-1, a close game. Will there be even more goals to come? This is Haaland.
Well cut out. Good interception. And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
And he's won it back for his team. Salah! It was good, but the keeper reacted quickly. Oh, this is a big call at such a crucial stage. 4 subs coming on, and they're going for it. Let's see what comes of this then. Whipped in. Keeper stayed strong. Definite offside there, no question at all.
It's Son.
Great dribbling. Tries a long shot. He just couldn't keep it down. They keep hammering the opposition in search of more goals.
Oh, and dispossessed there. He did well to win the ball back.
Can they make this attack count? They need to get back into this game.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
Oh, determined challenge there. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.
Oh, well intercepted.
Osimhen in possession.
Is this a goal?
Slotted home.
Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good.
There's frustration seen coming from the bench right now. The manager won't be pleased. They've taken it down the wing. Good catch by the keeper. They're well ahead now, and this should be the win for them. The game seems to be mostly played in the losing team's half. Time for a change of tactics, perhaps. Surely now! Alisson, fantastic stop.
Oh, that's a really dangerous cross. Surely now!
And Neymar scores. 2 goals today from this exciting player. We're into time added on now.
And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper.
And he shoots.
Oh, how unlucky. What a chance!
Alisson, fantastic stop. The woodwork denies them again.
Oh, there's an opening here.
He's shaping to shoot. It's Messi.
And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet.
Fantastic game here. The standard of play was excellent. Let's hope the next time these teams meet, it'll be equally